Hey, I'm Thomas from teelaunch, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Etsy shop to teelaunch. Once your shop is connected, you can start preparing print-on-demand products for your Etsy store without holding stock or managing fulfillment yourself. Before you start, you'll need a teelaunch account, access to your Etsy account, and an Etsy shop that's already set up. First, log into your teelaunch account. From Launchpad, go to the Stores section. Next, click Add New Store. This will show you the available store connections inside teelaunch. Find Etsy, then click Connect. Before you continue, make sure you're logged in to the correct Etsy account, especially if you manage more than one shop. Etsy will then ask you to authorize teelaunch. Review the connection request, approve it, and you should be sent back to teelaunch. Once you're back in teelaunch, check that your Etsy shop appears in your account. If it does, your store connection has been completed. From there, you're ready to create your first product. Choose a product in teelaunch, add your design, review your mockups, pricing, title, and description, then send it to Etsy. And that's it! Your Etsy shop is now connected to teelaunch, and you're ready to start creating print-on-demand products for your store.